EMD, Electrical Machine Designs. In this chapter, we see theoretical of types of winding and winding insulation, basic requirement and to operate the following details regarding the winding. In this chapter, we see winding insulation, design of windings, basic requirements, and aim to obtain the following details regarding the windings, input data for winding design, seen in this video. Next video, we see design of LV winding and HV winding. Man Engineering welcomes you. Types of winding. Types of winding. Cylindrical winding with rectangular conductors for LV winding. Cylindrical winding with circular conductors for HV winding. Crossover winding rarely used. Continuous disc coil type winding for HV winding. Disc type section winding HV winding. Helical winding LV winding. Sandwich winding for shell type transformers. Winding insulation. The thickness of insulating cylinder and thickness of oil duct between core and LV winding depends upon the voltages of the LV winding. From 440 volts to 11 kVA. The thickness of insulating cylinder between core and LV winding varies between 3 mm to 6 mm, and thickness of oil duct between core and LV winding varies between 4 mm to 15 mm. For HV winding from 3.3 kVA to 33 kVA, the thickness of an insulating cylinder between LV and HV is 3 to 8 mm. HV to HV of two phases 3 to 8 mm. Thickness of oil duct between LV and HV 6 to 20 mm. And HV to HV is 8 to 25 mm. End insulations from yoke to winding between 20 to 70 mm. Design of windings. Basic requirements. Ability to withstand electrical stresses. Second, trouble-free services. Third, ability to withstand voltage surges, surges due to switching and atmospheric disturbances. Fourth, copper losses should be within reasonable limits. Fifth, the ability to withstand electromagnetic forces. Sixth, percentage impedance must be within tolerable limit. Seventh, temperature rise not to exceed specific limit. Minimum cost of windings. A. To operate the following details regarding the winding. Number of turns per phase. Second, cross-sectional areas of conductors. Third, choice of conductors. Dimensions of conductor. Fifth, arrangement of turns axially and radially. Sixth, inner diameter of winding. Outer diameter of winding. Length of mean turn. Resistance of winding. Input data for winding design. KVA rating and voltage rating. That is very important. Input data for winding design, KVA rating and voltage rating is very important. Third, EMF pattern. Fourth, connection of winding. Fifth, main dimensions of core and window. Sixth, information regarding insulation level to be provided at various places during the design of windings. Details regarding choice of current density. Standard sizes of circular and rectangular conductors. Next class will be seen design of LV windings, steps, how to design LV winding for steps and radial adjustment of LV winding and problem, design of HV winding, resistance of HV winding we will see in next video. Man Engineering, thank you.